YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Cash App bank transfer failed. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, you just follow this video. So first fix is, guys, check your bank account and Cash App detail. So guys, incorrect and outdated bank information is the common reason for transfer failure. So guys, you open the Cash App on your mobile devices and tap to the profile icon in the top right corner and scroll down and select the option of linked banks. Then guys, verify your linked bank account near and routing details and ensure your name or the Cash App matches your bank account. Then you remove and relink the bank account if the detail seems incorrect or the outdated. Then guys, review the transaction, funds and the limit. For this, open your Cash App and navigate to the profile icon and scroll down the option of support and then Cash App limit. Then review your daily and weekly transfer limit and confirm you have the sufficient funds in your linked bank account, and check your Cash App balance is to ensure it covered the transfer amount, and consider lowering the transfer amount if you are near to your limit. Another thing is, guys, verify internet connection and the status. So guys, check your Wi-Fi connection and ensure it is strong and stable. If on a Wi-Fi, try to switch to the mobile data or the vice versa, and restart your router or the modem if you are suspected network issues, and visit the Cash App officially status page to check for the service outage. Then try to using the Cash App in the location with better network coverage. Last thing is, guys, update your Cash App and the device OS. For this, go to your device app, then search for the Cash App and check if the update is available. Then click the option of tap update if a new version is listed, and restart your mobile devices after updating the app, and check your device setting for any available operating system updates, and install any pending OS updates to ensure the compatibility. Okay, so guys, these are the things that you can try to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.